Welcome to Kids Cartoon and Learning.
I am a circle. I am a rectangle. I am a oval. I am a star. I am a square. I am a triangle. I am a diamond. I am a heart. I am a semicircle. We all are different shapes. Can you find us in this room? Let's see. Which shape is this? Square. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Heart. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. Let's find out what shapes are present in this room. What is the shape of this cake? Circle. What is the shape of this pizza? Triangle. What is the shape of this balloon? Heart. What is this shape called? Star. We all are different shapes. You find us everywhere. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.